Saffron's Beauty Unboxings. Hello, this is Saffron and welcome to Saffron's Beauty Unboxings. I'm going to unbox my first ever Jeffree Star mystery box. It's a summer 2021 mystery box, the mini one. This is about $30 that I paid for, and pretty excited. This is my first one I've ever unboxed. I've seen his makeup on the internet and stuff, and I've always thought it looked kind of pretty. Very vibrant colors, and just gorgeous all around. So I'm kind of excited. Let's see. Here's the front of the box. Kind of cute with little question marks and stuff. And it says mini right here. Let's see. It's kind of small, but this stuff's kind of expensive, so I just hope it was worth it. We'll see what's in it. It's kind of interesting. It's got wrapping paper in it. Here's all wrapped up. That's pretty nice. Here's the first one. It's a Jeffree Star Cosmetics automatic eyeliner. Let's see. There's an eyeliner. It's, I guess, a brown color. Let's see. How do you open it up? I don't know. Or maybe, what color is this? Yeah, it's like a brown. That's pretty. Pretty. I can work with that. I like brown. It's pretty. Ready. Let's see what the next one is. The gloss. It's called the gloss. Mouthful. Two finishes: glitter fantasy, extreme shine, juicy, delicious, iconic on its own and or in over any lipstick. I like the name gloss. It's like it's got to be a diva about being a lip gloss or something. Like, I'm the gloss, man. I'm the gloss, baby. You know who I am? I'm that gloss, baby. Sorry. Wow. Ooh, that's pretty. That packaging. It's like, I'm the gloss. I tell you that much. I'm the gloss. You ain't the gloss. I'm the gloss. Sorry. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that color. It's pretty. It's like a bronzy kind of glitter, too. There's this vanilla scent to it. That smells good. Let's see what it looks like. That's pretty. I don't know if you can see it. It has a good scent to it too. It's very glittery. Nice. I kind of like the packaging. I'm the gloss. Sorry. Next one. It's this one. Shake well before using. Velour liquid lipstick. Long lasting, Stream Beauty, matte finish, cruelty-free, vegan. Shake for 5 seconds, apply to bare lips, and let dry for 60 seconds. Smile, ready for a close-up. I like the packaging. It's like a dark color. It's like, I'm the gloss, bitch. Pardon me. Or no, that was that one. This one's like, I'm a lipstick, baby. That's pretty too. Doesn't really have a shade name, but it's like a nude lipstick. Kind of has a chemically smell. That's the color. It's pretty. It's really pretty. I got like a thingy called a Fenty Stunna Lip. And I kind of got a color like that. And that probably would look pretty on top of it. Kind of give it a, well, maybe not. Or maybe it would make it long lasting. I don't know. I have to see. But it would look pretty paired. Like put this on your lips and then use this as a topper. That'd be really pretty. Pretty. Let's see. The last two items I got eyeshadow things. Got Undertaker. Let's see. It's kind of a dark color. Here's what the color looks like. It's kind of dark. See, there's a color. That's kind of a weird color. It's like dark, but it's like has a bluish tint to it. Different. I did kind of a different look today. See my makeup. I know it's kind of shiny now, but I did kind of a parrot look. I used a Fenty Lip Stunner lipstick and a Moods eyeshadow palette to do my look. It's kind of greasy now because I've been out in the sun. And there's my parrot shirt. It kind of goes with it. Let's see what the other eyeshadow. I got another eyeshadow single. Let's see. It's called Sweetener. I kind of like this shade. Kind of goes with those lipsticks as well. I like the shade, and it kind of goes, see, it's kind of in the same family as this. Oh, I almost dropped it. And this. Let's see what it looks like. I don't think I got a ticket. Some people are supposed to win a pink ticket or something. So here's that shade. It's really nice. Kind of like a bronzy shade. Ooh, that's pretty. That'd be pretty as like it's right there. Pretty as like an eyeshadow topper. And it goes really good with, see, it goes really good with that. And that color's pretty too. Well, I kind of like that. This little unveiling. I like what I got too. I like this lip gloss. It's really nice. And the lipstick. I've been kind of seeing people get green eyeliner. I was hoping to get green eyeliner, but that brown one I'll use. I like brown. I like any color other than black. I'm not big on black eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, but I liked all I got. I think I got pretty nice stuff. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please push that like button, and I hope you come back for more videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Goodbye.